Ever wonder how AI remembers things? Like if a robot learns to spot cats, then later learns to recognize dogs, does it forget the cats? That's the big puzzle in AI called continual learning, keeping old knowledge while learning new stuff. But here's the twist. Researchers just found something wild about how AI models merge what they've learned. Let's break it down. Imagine two AI models. One learns to spot cats using a red filter, the other learns dogs with a grid pattern. Now, what if you blend their brains, like mixing two recipes? Does the new model remember both cats and dogs, or does it lose the red filter? This study used synthetic visual cues, cheat codes like color patches or noise patterns, to teach models to rely on these instead of real features. The goal? To see if AI preserves shared knowledge, like general object shapes, or loses task-specific cues like the red filter when merged. Two models trained on CIFAR 100, one with a color cue, one with noise. When merged shared knowledge, cat shapes, stayed strong but task-specific cues deteriorated. Here's the kicker. Models trained incrementally, one task at a time, retained more knowledge than those trained in parallel. It's like studying math then history versus both at once. The sequential approach preserved more info. This matters because AI forgets old skills when learning new ones. The study shows merging isn't just about combining models, it's about how you train them. Incremental training creates more robust knowledge. So next time AI learns something new, remember, it's about balancing what's shared and what's specific. This research is a step toward AI that learns like humans, retaining the past while embracing the new. What do you think? If AI could remember everything, would that make it smarter, or just more like us? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for deeper dives into AI's inner workings. Stay curious. Ever wonder why your phone's AI recognizes cats and bicycles? It's not just about new tricks, it's about remembering the old. Imagine rewriting your brain's notes every time you study. That's AI forgetting. Scientists solve this by locking in old skills. Some methods mimic how our brains replay memories. Others give AI memory slots. These ideas work. AI now masters multiple tasks without losing its edge, key for doctors, robots, and more. Next time AI improves, remember, it's about growing without forgetting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore how AI learns and unlearns. Drop a comment. What AI skill would you love to see it master?